how to make text size small on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make text size small on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just click text size, and here you will find this one. You can just make it like this one, like that, and click OK, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.